This is your News Minute for Friday, March 22nd. PUSD's Global Languages and Innovative Programs introduced the sights and sounds of Indian percussion to Canyon View Elementary students through a partnership with the Indian Fine Arts Academy of San Diego. Students enjoyed a school-wide assembly, learning different rhythms and clapping along to the music. The 2024 College and Career Fair at Del Norte High School featured more than 100 colleges, trades, businesses, and military representatives for PUSD high school students and their families to explore their future options. Students at Los Penasquitos Elementary got a special treat from 10 News, story time with anchor Jared Aarons, and then they got to pick out 5 free books to take home. The program is designed to encourage a love of reading among school children. The Youth in Transition program and Rotary volunteers prepared gift bags containing food, toiletries, and supplies for a spring grab-and-go event for students experiencing homelessness and housing instability. There was a gold rush on the Deer Canyon Elementary School campus. The Julian Mining Company came to campus for a reverse field trip, showing students how to pan for gold, barter with their gold, and even hand-wash laundry. Keep the magic going, Poway Unified. That was your News Minute.